welcome back for another video. Today we're gonna go creek fishing at one of these local creeks that I live nearby, or live next to, or whatever. Yeah, it's a secret spot. But we're about to put the GoPros on our hat and start walking. Hopefully we start slaying some smallmouth. Come on. Let it wood. Got the GoPros on, we're locked and ready.
Hey there, I'm your guide, Sam Rednail. I'll be sticking with you on your hunt, giving you tips on the wildlife and suggestions about your gear.
Who's gonna get the first fish?
Before we head out, I can give you a rundown on the region, the land, the game, and the climate.
Juicy.
Once we're in the stand, I'll try to keep you on track for that trophy you're hunting by watching the horizon and pointing out some of the landmarks.
I guess we did get some good rain. There's a big ass rock in front of you. Yeah, I saw that.
I grew up in these plains, and I never got tired of them. Most city folks think there ain't nothing out here, but there's life everywhere. Sure, it's pretty flat, but we got a few hills here and there.
Oof, what a fighter.
Smoke.
Yeah. You might be onto something here with the...
Yeah, you can freak out.
That's a big ass rock.
I forgot about those.
That's what I was catching in Wisconsin.
Another one?
Yeah.
That's a small one.
Another one. Unchoked it. Fuck, really choked it. Dude, this one's huge.
Yeah, it's like a it's like a half-pound freaking panfish bass or rock bass.
I was fighting really hard though. I thought it was for sure like a...
I thought it was smallmouth. Yeah, that was fun. Another one? Oh, you can get everywhere, dude. I could make a candy over here, right?
Dude, I cannot flip it with the reel on the left side. Come on, baby. Travis and I, back in the creeks. Catching them. Catching everything.
Just flying them.
At least we haven't been skunked yet.
Nope. Well, the skunk's off the boat. We're not getting a skunk today.
Holy shit.
Oh my.
Did you see that? Is the GoPro recording?
Yes.
Oh,
You got that whole thing.
dude, I hope, because that literally looked like a carp came up and ate it.
I'm just taking it on my phone.
Okay.
Absolute toad, dude.
Oh my god, that was so cool. I was like, holy fuck. Wait, I need a rubber. It bent my hook.
I just was not expecting that right here.
No, me neither.
I can see the bottom.
Yeah, that was fucking insane.
Sitting in like no water at all.
Hope the GoPro got. I hope that was a good clip. That's what we're talking about, boys. That is what we're talking about. And girls. Girls like fishing too. That was awesome.
Like that, so
Dude, look, that's why. Look at all these. Look at all those minnows. That guy's eating lavish. He's just waiting for them to come down and he just devours them. That's awesome.
Dude, if I get one like that to come up and explode in my top water.
Dude, holy. I hope we get on GoPro. There we go. Oh.
Oh, dude. I'm back. You're gonna catch one right here. The fact he's still coming in.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I'm stuck.
Don't come on. Don't come on. You gotta throw them into the weeds so you don't lose them. Oh my gosh. Come on, boys and girls. This is what we're talking about. God, this is the juice hole.
See if I can double up with you.
See that? God, these fish are beautiful. Look at that in the sunlight. I'm not gonna make you take another picture of the phone, but
Yeah, that one's not as big, dude. But it's still a really good one. Dude, look at that fucking thing,
I love.
dude. He hit it like 8 times though.
Yeah, he didn't give a fuck.
Like, aggressive.
He's horny, hungry and horny. Yeah.
That's a little guy. He could have been hitting it too, so
Yeah. Damn, he choked this one. Oh my god. I hate when you're trying to get the hook out and they're just swallowing it even more. He's gulping this thing down.
Dude, that much of a dick, dude. They're like literally assholes.
He survived. He survived.
You might make it.
He survived. Maybe. Oh.
That's
A log. Oh shit.
I think you got your bait back. I know over here.
I think right up, yeah. Flies are fuck on us. We smell sweaty from the gym. Oh yeah, we made a gym vlog before this. This will probably be posted second, but you should go check that out. But literally, if you're feeling lost in life and you don't know what you're doing, go out, reconnect with nature. It's the best thing you do for yourself. Being out here with one of the bros in nature, listen to birds and shit, it's so good.
I just got hit from the...
And Travis almost just caught a log.
So I hooked him, and then he went to the log, and the treble hook snagged on the log, and he got off.
Awful. Another little rock bass. I have to do like a fish counter on the video. I find this way more fun than any fishing I do.
Yeah, it's just like, it's a little bit more of like a adventure kind of deal.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't care that much. I'm trying to catch a smallmouth toad. I'm trying to hear my drag go zzz. Oh, oh. Little guy got off. Another little Rocky on. Little Dwayne the Rock Johnson action. Stick bass. Another one. This is the type of smallmouth that Trevor Johnson catches. His little ones. I hope he watches this video. Oh, dude, I'm stuck.
Stuck bad?
Yeah. Here, cast again, because I don't want to run.
To forewarning people that are listening, the bait caster was not the move, but I just want to try something different. I was using like top water. Got like one hit it, and then I got snagged on a log, and I was like, I'm over this. So just use a spinning rod. Don't bring a bait caster in the creek.
Not enough room.
It's not a good creek rod either.
Yeah, I need to get like a fast light.
One of them rock johns. Yeah, go ahead and check this guy out here. He's basically a giant. It's basically a PB right here. Check this thing out here. We're gonna go put him back in the water. You gotta check him out. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Oh, dude, I'm stuck.
Stuck bad? You gotta adapt and overcome. You gotta adapt and overcome. Dude, PB, absolute donk. Check this guy out. Absolute wonker.
Toad. Oh fuck.
Oh. That a good one? Yeah, that's a good one. Not that big.
Crazy energy. Big dick energy.
We're gonna get this guy a rubber here because it's going through.
Fish or the birds laughing at you.
Yeah, literally the bird's laughing at me right now. They're like, look at this guy.
There we go.
Jonk. He's fighting his ass off though.
I know, that's the one I just caught.
I mean, this is a big ass bait caster, and this dude's just cranking me. Watch him. Watch him. Yeah, he's just out of here. He's like, nah. You did not catch me. Oh my god, he touched me. Scared the fuck out of me, dude. Oh my god. Yeah, that'll probably be in the video. Everybody get to see that. It was really great, actually. Hope you guys enjoyed. Alright. That was terrible.
God damn, bro. Nice little another one.
That's a good one.
Yeah, good fighter. Good fighter. I'm killing you again. Usually you're always out pushing me.
Yeah. You know, Tom, that's what they call it. And you know.
Holy shit, you see the owl?
Oh, that's so cool. Check it out on TikTok.
I don't think you. Oh, that's a big owl.
Here we go. We got an owl in its natural habitat. He's fucking checking us out. He's like, who the fuck are these guys?
360 neck on him. Big neck.
You need to find me a girl like that with a neck like that. Big bird.
Fuck, big bird. I forgot about that. I feel like I should get my phone out and zoom in on him for the vlog.
You know how much pussy that guy probably gets?
A lot. He's hooting and hollering. Literally has a chain restaurant named after him. This guy gets the bitches. Oh.
You go to Hooters much?
This is what we're talking about, chat. This big ass owl. I don't want to scare him away. Did he scare you? Yeah, back after this, we'll go back to the GoPro clips. We've been actually slaying him. I've been out fishing him.
Yeah, he's doing really good. Fucking good today. I'm very proud.
The GoPro mounts are actually. I hope this video turns out awesome.
Normally Javery be sucking. Like, he'll get one good one, but he's like just. I'm not even standing a chance today, brother.
I was happy when he said he's gonna bring a bait caster. I was like, looks like I'm catching all the fish. We're doing a little lure change for him because he brought his bait caster.
Don't
ever bring your bait caster.
I'm telling you.
He's about to move.
Travis is coming through. With your Plop Daddy 9000, baby.
Yeah, he got scared. There he goes. Flew away.
Our owl friend has.
That scared him.
Really?
Yeah, he's like, fucking.
I know you're watching this right now, YouTube. Don't worry. Next time, I'm gonna have the performance. Like if you, it's gonna be like if you took a rhino pill from Casey's and just started cooking. I'm not gonna explain what a rhino pill is, but you guys probably guess what it is. You know what I mean?
I should have had that on film.
Avery's hooked up.
Oh, came off.
He's not hooked up.
Catch it right between that rock and that log. Oh my god, dude, that was awesome. Oh my god, dude,
Oh my god, that scared the fuck out. No way. Did you catch him, dude? No. Did you catch him, dude? Got him?
he just spiked the shit out of me, but let's go.
Chunker.
Travis first, nice one off the top of water.
That was fucking insane.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a tree right there. That was actually.
Oh, hell yeah. Come on, baby. I think so too. Want me to grab it? Let's go. Nice one. Nice one. Don't make me fucking dive on top of this one again. Yes, I will. Grab them, bro. Are you a girl?
I just don't want trouble listening into these.
Is it? Oh,
It's pretty fucking...
I think they're about the same. Maybe yours is a little bigger. Let me get this on Viv. Oh! Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Do it all.
Oh.
This guy's
Oh,
pissed
yeah.
off.
Oh, quick release.
That guy was not happy. God damn it. Come on. Keep it down. Keep the tip down. You want me to catch him? Get the release.
Get that up. Get it wide. Man, these bitches fighting.
You're scaring all my fish away.
A big old girl?
You caught on the side. Side.
Not today. Actually, I could just lip it, yeah.
Slaying them. 3 off the plopper. Coming back.
Oh,
There's a big ass. I knew there was one over here. They kept like fucking with me.
dude, like the mouths are bigger on that than the smallmouth.
Look at these things. I didn't even catch them this big in Wisconsin.
Oh, huge.
Go tell your mama. Go tell your mama. I want her. Feel like a... Never mind. Alright, we're cutting the trip short because we're getting hungry. And there's a lot more left to walk and it's getting dark. So we're gonna try to cut up towards the road. And this is gonna be a kind of a pain in the ass, so let's see. Come on, Charlie. Keep her going. Yeah, because yeah, we would have had to go all the way back up. All right, well, made it out alive.
We made it. We cut a little short. Yeah.
We got like a long way more to go. And it would have been dark by the time we got back to the truck.
That's a pond.
Yeah, so
But it's all the way back.
we cut up with the road. Oh fuck, I just broke the tip off my fishing pole. Yeah, now we're gonna go back, shower, and then go to Culver's. So, hope this fishing video turned out good. We caught some good smallmouth. I caught a lot of rock bass.
Yep. We caught a couple good ones too. He outfished me today, but I did catch a couple good ones.
Yeah, at the end, he came in clutch at the end. But
So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that.
I'll take the dub today.
Yep.
I think over this whole video, I'm gonna do like a fish counter to see. I think that'd be fun or a cool idea.
Great idea.
So yeah, I hope I'm gonna have to come out with some fishing shirts or something. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. We're gonna keep doing these fishing videos because they're a lot of fun. I enjoy making them, and we're gonna look back at them and smile one day.
Yep.
All right, peace.